Last Friday, your paycheck arrived. For a few seconds, everything felt fine. Then reality started collecting its share.
Rent, utilities, car insurance,
Streaming subscriptions you barely remember signing up for? A credit card payment that never seems to get smaller.
By Monday morning, most of your paycheck had already disappeared.
You didn't buy anything expensive. So where did the money go? The surprising answer is that most people don't lose money because they earn too little.
Meet Daniel. He's 27 years old.
He earns $62,000 a year.
It has been pretty great. His friends think he's doing well.
You always look so relaxed.
How do you do it?
He is just too good.
The answer isn't hidden inside his salary. Small purchases rarely feel dangerous.
But together, they quietly drain thousands of dollars every year.
Money usually disappears one small decision at a time, not one giant mistake.
Inflation.
Imagine your favorite burger cost $5 a few years ago. Today it's nearly $7. The burger didn't become magical. Your money simply buys less than it used to.
That's inflation.
Prices slowly rise while purchasing power falls.
But when prices rise faster than incomes, life becomes harder.
To protect your future, your money needs to grow faster than inflation.
Now let's look at one of the most important numbers in personal finance, your credit score.
Think of it as your financial reputation.
A strong credit score opens more opportunities.
A poor credit score can make borrowing much more expensive.
The good news is that small habits can improve your score over time.
Consistency matters more than perfection.
Small improvements today can create huge financial benefits tomorrow.
Starting early is far more powerful than starting big.
Time is the greatest investment partner you'll ever have.
This is the power of compound growth.
Your money begins earning money. And then those earnings begin earning more.
That's why patience often beats perfection.
Many people quit too early because the beginning looks slow. The biggest rewards usually come after years of consistency.
Whoa! Every dollar has a job. Give it a purpose before it disappears.
Small habits repeated every week create extraordinary results over time.
The goal isn't to impress people. The goal is to build lasting security.
The people who win with money usually master the basics first.
You don't need perfect timing. You need consistent action.
The earlier you begin, the easier the journey becomes.
Your future is shaped by the choices you make today. Learning how money works is one of the highest paying skills you'll ever develop.
Start small. Stay consistent. Let time do the heavy lifting, and your future self will thank you.